Hi guys, welcome to the short video about something new trending in the internet or online. That's something obviously a lot of people are buying these days, and that's some kind of bamboo multi-charging station. Here we have the one from iNassen. It says Universal Multi-Device Cord Organizer, and the model type is RX 1904. Yeah, this is something really useful, and I think this could be a nice gift. It's around $29. You can buy it on Amazon, and here's how this thing looks and works. I had this as a sample with this phone, but you can use it to charge for almost everything. You can use it to charge your smartwatch, you can charge your earbuds here, you can charge your smartphones like in this position or even in upright position, or charge your tablet. And this is how it works. Yeah, you saw already this smartwatch holder. It's magnetic. You can see it has these two magnets here, two magnets, and same thing with the whole cover here. You can see everything nice wood, no chemicals, no plastic. I think this is something real nice, some nice piece of manufactured wood. Yeah, when you go close to the thing, you can really smell the wood. There's no chemical, no nothing. Smells and looks really natural. You can put some kind of charger, the normal charger which you're using, into here, and then connect the cables through this cover here. Let's do it with this sample here with the micro USB cable. Then we have it like this, charger down there, and we put everything back in place, and then we can just attach this cable here, and you can see how easy we can put this here, or also sideways, or whatever you want to use to charge. It's fitting for almost everything. It's a beauty. It's really nice. I mean, during these days where everything is cheap and plastic, if you're looking for some kind of nice gift, I mean, this could be something for you, your friends, your spouse, whatever. So I'm definitely going to use this thing. That's a beauty, and some real piece of nature. And it comes with a lot of different cables. I think 5 lightning cables, USB-C, and a micro USB cable. And of course you can use all your existing cables as well. You don't have to use these. You can also use other cables, no problem, like magnetic cables or so, absolutely no problem. It's compatible with almost everything. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.